Hi there, my name's Jennifer Shirley and I am a wood turner, and I'm teaching this week here at Marc School of Woodworking small lidded boxes with metal clay embellishments. And what the students are doing this week is we're creating metal cabochons or inserts, if you will, to go into the wooden lid of these boxes. And they'll be making probably 4 or 5 of them this week. It just depends on their skill level. This class is mainly for people who've already been turning, but it was open to everybody. And anyway, we're having a lot of fun. The metal clay is a material that's been around for a while, not seen too much incorporated into wood turning, but it's really fun. And one of the things that we'll be doing this week is just learning all about the metal clay. We're using copper this week, and it's clay just like Play-Doh or a polymer clay. You work it just like you would any other clay. You can mush it, squish it, you can put textures into it, you can roll a leaf onto it and make a leaf pattern into it. And then we take a round cookie cutter and we'll cut discs out of it, and then we fire it in a kiln. We put it in a kiln that you can purchase for your home use. That's what I have, and Marc has one here. And we put it in a coconut carbon medium, and we put it in the kiln for about 3 hours, and when it comes out, it's pure copper. So we're having a lot of fun here. I usually, I'm here maybe once every year, sometimes every other year, but if you're not familiar with Marc School of Woodworking, it's here in central Indiana. It's one of the most wonderful woodworking schools you'll ever find in the country. I've been coming here for almost 15 years as an assistant and now teaching my own classes, but it's a fantastic place in a beautiful setting, and we would love to have you come and enjoy one of the multiple classes that are offered here.